Hi there, my good friends of Anse La Raye, Canaries. My name is Dominic Fedee, your Member of Parliament. I want to reach out to you to ask you to do everything in your power to stay safe, to keep your brothers, your sisters, your mother, your father, and all those special people that you care about. Please help them to stay safe by you observing the protocols. Wear your mask, wash your hands, sanitize, socially distance. The more we follow the protocols, the faster our lives can return to normal. And so I ask you, do your best so that you can keep all of us safe. Thank you.